Welcome to my trading journal. So today's day is day 15, Friday, last day of the week. So I'm calling it a day today. It's around 5:30. Sorry, it's around 4:20 p.m. So today, first trade that I have took was in GU based on this trend line. After after I saw the trend line break, I usually what says this was the first leg, this was the second leg, and I was expecting a third leg up. So after the break, I saw hook here in trend line. So after the hook, I just immediately took an entry with a stop loss below that. But after taking an entry, I realized that there isn't any much target left because usually market sometimes it gives over, sometimes it's overshoot, but sometimes it doesn't. And there is a news. There is two news actually. So because of this news, I exited the trade with some profit. And decided not to trade today on in GU. So I shifted to gold. Then I took today three trades in gold. The first trade that I took was here around. What I was seeing is this was the first leg down. This was the first leg down. This was the second leg down, and this was the third leg down. That sorry, not this one. Let me draw it. This was the first leg. This was the second leg, and this was the third leg. That is all. Like here, I saw this breakout of this what we call channel or wedge. You can call it anything. After this break, I saw this hook on TDI. So I just immediately entered here and kept my stop loss at the low. But this didn't really play out and immediately took my stop loss. But when this happened, I realized that there is some divergence. You can see indicator is going higher. It hadn't come below this low, but in this market did break the low. Even if you compare the closing prices of this candle and this candle closing prices is lower than this one. So there is clearly a divergence, and there is liquidity grab also of this low. So immediately I entered again after this high broken, and kept my stop loss at the low. Again, same thing happened, and this was actually the three pushes down. So this was the first push down. After this is strong breakout creating an FVG. This was the second push down, and this was the third push down. I wasn't able to calculate that one. So after this two consecutive losses, I took another third trade, but I was confident of this trade, so I increased my quantity. I usually risk $25 on this one. I risked $25 on this one. But on this one, I risked 1%, that is $50. And after making 1.5%, 1.5 rate, 1:1.5, I exited the trade immediately. I was expecting a move higher, but what the problem was, I lost my emotion there. If you to be honest, I lost my emotion. I was expecting price to go higher, at least up to this high, at least up to this high, and market did go there, but I lost my emotion because after consecutive of two losses, I was just looking to uh, record my losses, and I did record my losses, and I was in profit. That's why I exited the trade and decided to call it a day. So after total this week, I am still up around 2% in this whole week. That is $100, $113 to be exact. So I will call this as a good week, definitely, because my plan was to just follow a system because I was trading randomly, and I did follow the system that using TDI. I just need to improve on this weekend. Maybe I will post another video about how I will be improving this. Maybe do some backtest on this weekend to get the understanding of the TDI better.